welcome back. Amber here, and on today's video I'm going to talk with you about 3 little hacks that's going to help you get those icky, yicky, dirty hardwood floors clean in no time. But before we get started, if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe. So there's 3 little things that I've learned in the lifetime of cleaning professionally homes. So I'm going to share that with you. But before we do, if you haven't checked out the previous video, I lay down the foundation and the basics on how to go about cleaning your hardwood floors naturally and to do it in no time. So go ahead and check out that video first and then come back to this video. And the reason why is that foundation is going to help you see and understand why these methods that I'm going to show you to help get those grimy, dirty floors, your hardwood floors, I might add, to its pristine state. Now, keep in mind that when you are cleaning your floors, that you use a pH neutral cleaner, which is a very nice way to say a balanced combination of low chemical and lots of water. Zep Cleaner as an example, or Odoban, those are just great companies that I would highly recommend. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 different methods starting now. This first hack that I'm going to share with you is basically letting your cleaning solution work for you, which is working smarter and not harder. So you want to make sure that you use any particular cleaning solution. In my previous video, I use Zep pH neutral cleaner, which is just less chemicals and very eco-friendly. So you can use Zep, you can use Odoban, you can do your DIY natural solution, whatever you want to use. Stick with that compound and don't mix with anything else. And the reason being is because when you mix, 9 times out of 10, this is not always the case, but you get to these streaks on your floors, you get this film development or this buildup that is very difficult to get rid of. Now, if you want me to explain more due to time on how to get rid of those film and development on the floor, go ahead and leave that comment in the description, or leave that comment in the comments below, and I'll be honored to answer that for you and or make a video if it needs to go into further visual detail. 30 seconds. And so the thing that I've learned is then scrub the floor using the solution that get a lot of that dirt and grime up. You go ahead and now the second hack is going to be very useful, especially if that method. You're going to flip it over to the plastic part. Don't use metal on your floors because you're going to scrape them, and gently remove it that way. That helps tremendously. And if you need to do this third hack, it's pretty funny and it's worked often, is using the back end of your foot, like using the bottom of your foot and putting more pressure onto your mop pad. And that has helped me tremendously. Those 3 hacks are going to help you a lot in regards to time and energy and just making sure that you're cleaning your floors efficiently. And if you want to see other alternatives, like different mop pads or different things that I would recommend, then go ahead and leave that in the comments below as well, so I can make a video showing you my recommendations. So in the meantime, go ahead and check out this next video. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.